1. Uninstall the controller mounting plate. 2. Take out the insulation pad and unplug brake wire and the motor sensor wire. 2. Unplug the 3 motor cables. 3. Uninstall the gearbox. 4. Uninstall the bearing cover. 5. Knock out the spline shaft. 6. Remove the drive wheel bearing seat on both left and right side. 7. Take out the bearing on both left and right side. 8. Remove the drive wheel spline sleeve. 9. Take out the wheel. The drive wheel is disassembled,